How to download Gate.io app on iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to download Gate.io app on iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now click on search bar and search for Gate.io. You are looking to download Gate.io, right? Click on the second option where you can see the icon for Gate.io. Now tap on Gate. Verify your Face ID. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It might take some time, it will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, Gate.io app has been installed on our device. Just tap on open. As soon as you click on open, Gate.io will be installed. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna download Gate.io app on iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Gate.io app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.